In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize and edit text in Figma. Fast 2025 guide. If you work with UI designs, knowing how to quickly select, edit, and resize text in Figma will save you a ton of time. Let's start by selecting the text you want to edit. Click the text layer directly on the canvas, or choose it from the Layers panel on the left if it's buried under other elements. Either way, make sure the layer itself is highlighted so the right controls appear in the sidebar. To change what the text says, enter text editing mode. The quickest way is to double-click on the text and start typing immediately. If the layer is already selected, pressing enter also switches you into editing, so your cursor drops right into the text without extra clicks. Next, adjust the size of the font. With the text layer selected, look to the right sidebar and open the text section. You can set a precise font size by typing a value in the dropdown. For small quick tweaks, use the arrow keys to nudge the size up or down. When you want bigger jumps, hold shift and press the up or down arrow to resize faster and keep your flow. Sometimes the issue isn't the font size, but the text box itself. If your copy is getting cut off or wrapping in an odd way, change the text box behavior using the resize options in right sidebar. Text. Auto width lets the box expand horizontally to fit the content, which is ideal when you don't want manual line breaks. Fixed width keeps the text in a set box. Drag the bounding box handles to make it wider or narrower until it wraps where you want. Auto height grows the box vertically as you type, preventing hidden lines and overflow. With the structure set, fine-tune the style, fill in the text properties, switch the font family, then choose a weight like regular or bold to match the visual hierarchy. Adjust line height for readability, especially in paragraphs, refine letter spacing to open or tighten characters, and use paragraph spacing to control the gap between blocks of text. Finally, align the text left, center, or right so it lines up with your layout. That's it. Select it, edit it, resize it, and style it, all from the right sidebar, so your text looks clean and consistent across your designs.